Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable theater mode on your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. As a first step, swipe down to open the control panel and here find this icon which looks like a cinema picture. Then click on it and you'll get this warning which says that this mode turns off screen and screen wake gestures and also silence alerts. Then scroll down and click on this confirm button to enable this mode. After this, the screen will fall asleep and you won't be able to wake it up by clicking on it. You would need to click on the digital crown to wake up your watch. This mode is invented for people who are on the cinema or theater and then don't want to disturb other people by the notifications or lighting up screen. Now to disable this mode, we would need to swipe down again and click on this icon once more. And the theater mode will be disabled. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.